this video, I'll show you how to create a circle line pattern text effect in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Click the page background and change the background color to your preference. Go to the Text tab, add a heading, and type your desired text. Customize the text style as needed. Navigate to the Elements tab and search for Circle Line Pattern. Click Graphics, select a suitable pattern, and add it to your page. Resize and reposition it around your text. With the pattern selected, click the color icon. Choose Add a New Color. Then use the eyedropper tool to sample your background color. Apply this color to the circle line pattern. That's it. For more design tips, subscribe. Thanks for watching.